Hello, I am OBDI, the voice of your car. Today we are talking about engine code P0430, what it means, what causes it, and how to fix it the right way. This is one of the most misunderstood codes. Replacing parts blindly can waste your time and money. P0430 shows up on vehicles with V-type engines like V6 or V8. It means that the catalytic converter on bank 2 is not working efficiently. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1, but just because this code appears does not mean the catalytic converter is bad. Very often this is a symptom, not the root cause. Sometimes the driver may notice a drop in power, a strong smell from the exhaust, higher fuel consumption, or black smoke during acceleration, but in many cases there are no clear symptoms, only the check engine light. There are many possible causes: a faulty rear oxygen sensor, a rich air-fuel mixture leaking, or dirty fuel injectors, high fuel pressure, engine misfires, or oil and coolant entering the exhaust. All these can confuse the ECU or slowly damage the converter. Before replacing the catalytic converter, run a full diagnostic. Start with an OBD2 scanner and check for other codes. Look at fuel trims. If long-term trim is too high or too low, that gives you a clue. Inspect the MAF sensor. Check for vacuum leaks. Make sure the air filter is clean. Compare oxygen sensor readings before and after the converter. If they look too similar, it may mean the converter is worn, but bad sensors can also create this pattern. A reliable way to test the converter is to measure exhaust back pressure. Remove the oxygen sensor and install a pressure gauge in its place. Start the engine and read the pressure. If it rises too high, the converter may be clogged. This test gives you real data and helps avoid mistakes. Only replace the catalytic converter if everything else is working, otherwise the code will return and the money will be wasted. P0430 is a signal, not a verdict. Your car speaks in codes. Now you understand its language.